And well, it's on the occasion of Dhanteras, we took stock of how the markets are thronged by visitors. Amid the pandemic, there has been muted sales of gold and Diwali and right ahead of Diwali. But on the occasion of Dhanteras, what we noticed is jewelers were hoping for increased footfall and, of course, heightened sales. Our reporters join us from Hyderabad and Bengaluru to tell us how is the gold rush amid the pandemic. Okay, I'm going to go across to Shrija, who is in Bengaluru, and Karishma, who is in Hyderabad. Shrija, to you first. You are in Bengaluru. Tell us what is the footfall like? Because again, this is a very tricky situation. On one hand, we do want the sales to happen, the expenditure to happen in the economy to get a boost, but the pandemic threat is a real one. On ground, what does it look like to you, Shrija?
Well, clearly, Afrida, the Dhanteras has kicked in here across Bengaluru, and we are looking at sales, which is pretty good. And of course, if you're talking about the footfall, yes, since morning at around 10 a.m., we could see quite a number of people, in fact, thronging various gold showrooms, jewelry showrooms here in Bengaluru. In fact, speaking to some of the customers also, what we understand is that, of course, the customer sentiments have improved despite the pandemic that we are talking about. Remember, we did, including the World Gold Council, did predict, saying that the business affair is going to be muted this time around. But however, if you're really comparing it with last year, at least speaking to the gold dealers, what they tell us is that this time around they're looking at least about touching 60 to 70% of the sales. This is from as compared to last year for the Dhanteras. And of course, remember, also speaking to some of the managing directors of the gold showrooms, including Balabar Gold and various other gold jewelry stores. In fact, what we understand from them is that it is not as bad as what, in fact, they had expected, considering the fact that whether or not consumers will come out and purchase. But what you see here is that, of course, it is packed with people. And remember, we will have to continue to see how it is going to pan out towards the evening. Now, let me go across to one particular customer over here who's joining us this morning. Well, thank you, sir, for joining us. Can you tell us, we understand it is amidst the pandemic, we clearly had, including the gold jewelry, the dealers had doubts whether or not consumers will come out and speak or, in fact, purchase gold. But to you, what really did, in fact, motivate you to come out?
Nowadays, due to pandemic, it's cost maybe of some of the consumers are not there, but currently you can see the many consumers are there, and we also come for the purchase now. It's due to Dhanteras, we'll look for the good purchase now.
Right. What have you come to purchase?
Sorry?
What have you come to purchase?
For diamond earrings and necklace.
So it's of course a auspicious day, and then you have come out.
Yeah. After Corona, it's the first day when I come out and purchase something. But if we are taking any safety, we should come out. No need to stay at home only. Not.
Right. Well, in fact, remember, Afrida, in fact, it is not just about where people who are coming and purchasing. It is also where the various jewelry showrooms where they're offering several discounts so that people can come out also and purchase. Now, let me go across to Jitesh, who's the store manager, to understand as far as comparative to last year, how it's doing this year, Jitesh.
To be honest, this year we are doing very well. Even we are surprised, like in this pandemic situation, people are like believing that what do you call the auspicious day. They are believing it. They are coming and purchasing it. So we are very happy for it. So this time, we are doing like 2 days. From yesterday afternoon itself, the Muhurtam has started. So this yesterday and today.
It's going to pick up by evening as well.
Yes, definitely.
Well, thank you, Jitesh. That was Jitesh who was joining us here on live to talk about how well it's doing this time around. Of course, Afrida, there are several other jewelry storeroom. In fact, the owners who are trying to tell us that it is going to pick up the sales, but of course, it is not going to see at least 100% of the sales or the volume that we're talking about. At least it can touch anywhere between 60 to 70% of the sales. Back to you.
Right. Stay with us, Shrija. I'm also going across now to Karishma, who is in Bashir Bagh in Hyderabad. Karishma, you heard Shrija, people are going to the jewelry stores and they are maintaining distance from what I could see and wearing masks as well. Those precautions are important. What is it like in Hyderabad? What are the reactions coming from people? What's the mood and momentum on Dhanteras like?
Well, unlikely to what I think Bengaluru is seeing, I must say the on-ground situation when it comes to Dhanteras buying and the cheer that festive season brings is not being much seen when it comes to jewelry shop. In fact, I'm in the heart of the city in Hyderabad in one of the famous jewelry stores, which usually at this time around 11 a.m. has couple loads of consumers who walk in and customers to buy gold on the occasion of Dhanteras, which is of course understood to be an auspicious day to begin. But today seems a bit unlikely. If I ask my cameraman to pan, you will see that there is dearth of consumers across. In fact, while I was speaking with the store manager, he was mentioning to me that this is first such scenario in years that they're seeing that at 11 a.m. when they've opened their shop, there are not many consumers flocking with that kind of cheer. But I did manage to, of course, spot one person here who's here early this morning. Unlikely, if we talk about Hyderabad, the city of Nawabs, usually this is not the case here. The city has been lit up. It's the food festival going around. It's a couple of other festive cheers. People are trying to get back to the normalcy. But when it comes to jewelry buying, and especially that of an auspicious moment of buying gold, it seems there is a bit of fall in consumer interest. I am here with a consumer who's here buying. If you look at the visuals, ma'am, आप यहाँ, of course, दिवाली है, धनतेरस शुरू हो रहा है. आप यहाँ आए हैं, थोड़ा सा हमें बताइए कि कोरोना के बाद पहली बार बाहर आ रहे हैं, क्या होप्स है फेस्टिव सीजन से?
बेस्ट ऑफ सीजन तो अभी तो नॉर्मल है अभी, मगर रिगार्डिंग अबाउट दैट दिस थिंग प्राइस एंड दिस थिंग okay, but we can't, but reasonable, we have to buy, that's it.
Right. If I just quickly speak to the store manager, he mentions me that he's seeing an increase in the prices in comparison to last year. Sir, इस बार कस्टमर्स की कमी ज़रूर है, लेकिन प्राइस में आपको लग रहा है डिस्काउंट देने की कैपेबिलिटी है अभी स्टोर्स में?
नहीं, डिस्काउंट तो नहीं मैडम, ऑलरेडी गोल्ड रेट हाई है और कोरोना टाइप है, अपने इसकी तरफ से लोग कम आ रहे हैं. हमेशा की तरह से साल के में हमेशा तो अच्छा रहता है धनतेरस, ये साल ही थोड़ा कमी बता रहा है लॉकडाउन की तरफ से, सोशल डिस्टेंस की तरफ से, वो प्रॉब्लम की तरफ से अभी सेल हमारे पास कम है.
Well, let's keep our hopes high for Diwali. Of course, we hope that the next 3 days will bring some kind of major cheer across the city.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks for bringing us those voices, Shrija and Karishma, and for showing us around, especially the jewelry shops, which are usually packed at a time like this, but not so much in Hyderabad this time. Thanks for joining us.